Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by enabling the Developer tab and choosing where to save the macro because scope affects reuse. Once done, press Record Macro, give it a descriptive name and shortcut if needed, and add a clear description so you remember intent. Make sure to choose the correct workbook target, otherwise your macro may not be available where you expect it. Begin performing the first actions slowly and deliberately so Excel captures clicks, keystrokes, and cell references precisely. Once recording, perform each action as if a precise script is following you, because Excel records direct commands. If you need the macro to work on other rows, toggle Use Relative References before recording those parts to make actions relative rather than fixed. Make deliberate choices for copy/paste options and avoid selecting entire columns unless necessary. Selections become part of the code. If a complex step is required, stop recording. Complete it manually, then restart recording to keep the macro clean and maintainable. You finish by stopping the recorder and saving the file as XLSM so macros persist. Next, test the macro on a copy or sample data to verify it performs expected changes. Testing reveals whether references are absolute or relative, and whether timing or paste options broke the sequence. If it fails, open the VBA editor, step through the code with F8 to watch each action, and adjust ranges or add delays. A common tip: enable error handling and comment actions so you can quickly spot wrong references.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.